Alright guys, update on trade XXII. It did just break above 40-cent resistance. A lot of buyers are coming in. Let's see if we can get this up to 450 possibly, and potentially make a couple $100. Now we have made over $56 already on ATPC. We've locked in a few dollars on this pre-market, about 20 bucks, and now we're just trying to see if we can go up any higher here. Just broke that 40 support or 40 resistance, so let's see if it'll hold as a support now. I have 1,400 shares at 42.54. And we're getting a lot of sellers here. Holding. Holding. Doing much. Let's see. Here we go. Pushing. Can it stay above? Number 4 on top gainers. I'm gonna get a little bit more. It's a little bit higher. Doesn't look like it can. Need a little bit more volume in here. We're gonna see this thing do anything. If we get another little break here. We're above 40. Let's see if we could hold 40. If we can hold 40, someone just bought 30,000 shares at 40. Can it hold? Can it hold? Still bullish on the 5-minute. MACD still on the green side. Rolling over a bit at that 40 cent level. Yep. Gonna come back down again. Hmm. 42. 42 looks like another wall. See if this gets back above. Don't think it can. From 138 to 141. Like watching paint dry with this thing. There we go. See if we can hold it again. Need a push up. There we go. Got some more buyers coming in at the 40s. Needs to break 42. Still testing. The highest in volume, number one in volume on the day, 152 million volume, 8 million free float, 9 million outstanding shares. Number four on the chart. Not really a lot of news as far as today. Okay, holding above 40 now. Really just considering cutting my losses of $20, $12 just because dang, it has been slow going here. I have one more position, BLMZ pushed up. We're gonna try to thought it was gonna push up even more. Still can, holding on to this one. A lot of buyers here at the 40, 30s, 40, 40s. A lot of buyers. Get this pushed in up. There we go, pushing. 8,000 shares right here, 8,000, 10,000. A lot of buyers. Oh my goodness. What is happening? At 40 wall. 40, 40, 40, 45. Guess I'll start reducing my position at the highs, which are right here. These are now the highs. Just don't see it happening. It's not moving, it's not doing anything. It's holding though. It's holding at the 40s. Hmm. There we go, just hit 41. 41.25. 41.50. 41.70. Let's go. 41.60. 41.50. There we go. some more green. People buying, people buying. Let's go. Let's get this volume in. Come on. Can you break 42? Close at 43, he said. Close at 43, that's not bad. I'm at 42.54. Go, pushing. Not able to do it. Come on. Looking good on the 5-minute. Still above those EMAs. No point selling just yet. A lot of buyers. This person bought and sold 9,000 shares. There we go. There's the push we want. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. What's happening? Sell at market. Big wall at 43. Huge, huge wall at 43. Gonna be hard to get through that wall. If I could sell 100 at 4299. A lot of sellers here. Keep pushing up. Still rising, still going up. That's what we want to see here. At a wall at 43. 42.54. My average. And all day, not all day, the last couple hours basically monitoring this back to break even. I'm gonna sell right here, 100 shares. Reducing my position size a little bit here. I'm gonna reduce it just because it does seem to be overextended really badly here. Okay, new green candle, showing it's green on the MACD. $42.49, $42.40, 42. $42.38, $42.14. Slowly getting rid of some of my position here at the top. If it comes back down, we could always buy more, but it doesn't look like it's going to do what we want it to do. A lot of buyers here at 42. Let's see. Day's P&L went from losing hundreds of dollars, down $50 or so to positive now. First time since pre-market today. Big sell-off. Doesn't seem to want to happen, does it? VWAP, man, that VWAP is resistance. Can't get above VWAP. It's gonna stay down in these 40-cent levels. Gotta break above VWAP, and then we will see some good movement here. Solid movement if we can break above VWAP. People are buying. I'm gonna sell at 42.99, and then another 100 at 42.50 if that happens. Come on. Limit 42.49. Okay. I probably will never trade a micro cap penny stock like this again. I hate that you have to go, it's like 1,000 ticks to move a penny, or 10 cents, I mean, right? 1,000 ticks to move 10 cents when moving 10 cents is only 10. It's only 10 ticks. So, I don't know. Very interesting. Still bullish on the 5-minute, bullish on the 30-minute. It's number 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 on the top gainer still. Starting to push up here. 41.97. Get back up to 42. 42.30. 42.44. Should sell an order at 42.49. 42.49. I know that was an area that we were looking at. 42.99. I could have swore I had a candle here at what, 42, a sell candle at like 42.40 or something. Can't see it. 42.49. Doesn't look like it's holding up, guys. Here we go, pushing again. 41.61. Come on. Selling off. Gotta hold that 40 support. If it don't hold 40, then this is pointless. Look at this huge sell-off here. Now we have to wait again to get all the way back up. 5,000 shares, 10,000 shares. Still holding above the the EMA lines here. Still holding. Not holding. See if it stays above this moving average. Can't stay above the moving average, then it's toast. No point in staying in this trade anymore. Wow. Got some buyers, got some sellers. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen, guys. My $200 profit is not really in the foreseeable future here. Just sold all my stuff right here when I was up positive like 8 cents. Ay, ay, ay. Try to sell 100 shares at 40.97. Start trying to get out of it slowly but surely on these pops. Not able to hold. $23, $39.86, $39.99. Yeah, I definitely don't think I want to trade this one in the future. Missed the main pop, missed the main squeeze here. Been just watching it all day, just wasting my time with it. Could have been trading this one right here. Look how many times it popped. From 3 to 6, pulled back to 5, broke out to 650. We'd already be up $300, $400, $500. Instead we're messing around with this one. Yeah, we're just gonna have to sell for a loss. Not a huge loss, but this thing is not retracing. It's selling off. 1,000 shares. Still. We hit 43 barely. Yeah. I think we barely hit 43. Or 297, 43. This can't break VWAP, there's no point. There's no point in holding. This can't break VWAP. A nice bull flag breakout, tested to 40, had a breakout of 40, fake 40, came back down, retested, didn't get it, came back out, broke out, retested 40 for a few minutes here, broke out, tested VWAP, couldn't do nothing, and now it's back down below support, which is now resistance again. Share price is too high. Should have waited to get in about 35, 36. 35, 36 to 42. I mean, that's pretty good. 7 cents. I should have known to, like, this went up so fast from 24 cents to 30 cents to 57 cents. Then it get exhausted. And that was the end of the trade. That was it. Couldn't do anything else after that. So, these penny stock ones are horrible to trade. I can tell you that right now. Just horrible. See if we can get one more push to 43. I think I'm just going to get out at 43 and get rid of my dreams of making a couple $100 on this today, because it ain't happening. Now sometimes you can see it happen where it'll do a double. You can see how it did it twice. So it did it once, did it a second time, and then now it's making a handle. So it's like a cup and handle. And sometimes this handle can get pretty high up, if not all the way back up to that area. So kind of sad to see. I mean, I could technically hold this throughout the rest of the day. I just don't feel comfortable holding it. Someone just bought 45,000 shares, 24,000 shares at 40 cents. So maybe they're seeing something I'm not seeing on the charts. We could stay above 40 cents. That would be nice. That's a nice support. But every time it drops below 40 cents, it scares me. When it gets to 39 cents, 37 cents even from earlier, and 35 cents, I almost cut my losses at 35 cents for like a $80 or $100 loss. And I was like, no, let's just wait. It's holding support. Support is being held. Still holding support here at 35 cents all morning. So yeah, can this push up just a hair more and basically just get me out, I guess. Just get me out of the trade at this point. Oh shit, Chinon pushing up from $8 finally. Been selling off all day. Okay, staying above support. Yeah, I'm trading a little longer than I normally do today just because I am holding so many shares of this. If I had like 100 shares, it wouldn't even matter. Even the market value isn't a lot, $400 in market value. But at 1,000 shares, if this thing moves 10 cents, I mean, out of 1,000 shares, you could be up or down $100. So I just don't think we're gonna get to the $100 today, guys. To the point where I'm about to just sell my shares and walk away down $17. I mean, $17 is nothing compared to other bad days I've had. There we go. There's a push. I got 500 shares left. This can't get above 42, can it? $42.5. Give me 43 and I'm out. So you could really push. Could really push up. Just doesn't look like it's happening. You're gonna go back to 38. Come back down. Maybe retest 40. Like it did here. Retest 40, push back up. Blooms ain't doing nothing. No volume. Not a lot of volume. Seeing a little green on the MACD here. It ain't working here. 10,000 shares at 41. That's nice. 3,000, 1,000, another 1,000 there. I'm not even sure if you guys would even want to watch this video. Watch me go back to break even. That's boring. There we go. Push it up to 43 for me and just sell 500 shares right there at 43. 43. There it is. You got it? Got it? 42.80. 42.70. 42.90. Literally right at 42.90 here. 42.90. Let's go. 42.90. Okay. Just sold 500 shares at 42.90. Maybe 43. Nope, can't do anything at 43. 43.03. Down to 42. This has a good setup to pop. Now hold on just for a second longer here. Got a really nice setup. This can push high. That'd be nice. Got up to 43. I just don't think it's gonna happen, guys. Still holding. Still holding above moving averages. This could get to 450. That would be insane. Even 444 would be another good number running up. Next big number, 444, 500 shares at 2 pennies. Like 10 bucks. Wow. So much for this doing anything. 39 cents to 42 cents. 41.50. Yeah, definitely will not be trading micro penny stocks like this again. Unless I get a good move, a good clean move like this, or like this, or even like that one. 47 to 57, that's 10 cents. And there's really no point. What a waste of time today. A lot of buyers coming in now. Still number one as far as volume. Number five as far as top gainer. Still up 54% on the day. It's no 230%, but heck, we'll take it. Crazy SMX didn't even push until 10 o'clock. From 3 to 6. 100 shares, that would have been $300. 1,000 shares would have been $3,000. Testing, it's going to test this 43 again. I'm thinking VWAP 42.82. Yeah, what a long day. A long grind of a day. Be up 50, be up 100, and then to be down and pretty much break even. Got in too heavy. I did good by averaging down on this one, knowing the trade plan. Bought here thinking it was going to break out. Should have sold up there, or I did sell up there. That's when I first locked in money. And then I should have not have bought here, but I thought it would stay above the VWAP. It didn't. And instead of buying here at support, I should have bought more down in here in the 35s instead of the 40s. I would have had a better average probably down in the 37s and 36s compared to the 42s. See if it bounces off of the 40 support. Does it may go up just slightly higher. If it can get above the VWAP, we will see a very nice push. If it can get above the VWAP. If it can't get above the VWAP, then there's no reason to even continue. It's gotta get above that VWAP though. It's staying above the support. Now it's starting to get squeezed now in this area. "34 minutes of basically nothingness." I do apologize about that, guys. I was hoping it'd be a little bit better. Every time we got a breakout I was hoping this thing would run to the moon here. Being that it has a lot of volume. Must be a lot of bag holders up here. It just does not want to move, does it? Get to the 43 again and it's going to get rejected. 11 o'clock. At this point, I just want to be done with it. Breakout or no breakout, right? Let's see what it does. People are loading up their shares. People are also selling shares. Can't seem to get past 42. 42. 42. Still staying above 41 now. A lot of buyers coming in. Go. And push above 43. That is the question. Don't think we're going to get the movement we want with 8 million float. Can't even get above 142 now. Much less 143. Not able to do anything on this. Been like this all morning. I'm done. I'm done, guys. I can't keep trading this. This is ridiculous. Hmm. Forty-three, 42. Just isn't happening today. $41.80. There it is. 42. I got out. I got out. It's hitting this resistance. If it breaks through, get it if it breaks through. Just doesn't look like it's gonna break through 43, guys. High of 43 a couple times now. We got out. Look at this, 80 cents. We made 80 cents today. Nobody wants to see that. Blooms, nothing's happening with blooms. I'm up 50 cents. Wow. This goes back up to what is that, 187? 185? That 184? Sub blooms at 184. If it lets me. I feel like if I sell for a dollar less, I don't even know if it'll let me sell here. No, it's not gonna let me sell here. Nobody's buying at 184. If I sell at market, it'll be like 182. 182 would be where I have to sell. Put me a dollar under for the day. Actually looking pretty good. I'm gonna take this off. So it's staying above this trend line for now anyways. 193. I'm gonna hold it. We're up a dollar.